Hello friends, in this video we will see the corruption index and rank of the country respect of the correction. The first rank of this country is South Sudan. The corruption index is 11. The second rank of in corruption of country is Syria. The corruption index is 13.3. The third rank of the country is Somalia. The corruption index is 13.7. At the fourth rank, Venezuela. The corruption index of Venezuela is 14.2. The fifth rank of in corruption is Yemen. The corruption index of Yemen is 16. The sixth rank in corruption is North Korea and the corruption index is 16.3. The seventh rank in corruption is Afghanistan and the corruption index is 16.5. The eighth rank in corruption is Libya and the corruption index of Libya is 17.3. The ninth rank in corruption is Equatorial Guinea. The corruption index is 17.6. The 10th rank in corruption is Turkmenistan. The corruption index of Turkmenistan is 19.4. The 11th rank in corruption is Burundi. The corruption index of Burundi is 19.9. The 12th rank in corruption is Chad. The corruption index of Chad is 20. The 13th rank in corruption is Sudan. The corruption index of Sudan is 20.2. The 14th rank in corruption is Nicaragua. The corruption index of Nicaragua is 20.4. The 15th rank in corruption is Haiti. The corruption index of Haiti is 20.7. The 16th rank of the corruption is Comoros. The corruption index of Comoros is 20.9. At 17th rank in corruption, Dominican Republic of Chicago. The corruption index is 21.1. The 18th rank of corruption is Guyana Bissau. His corruption index is 21.6. The 19th rank in corruption is Republic of Chicago. The corruption index is 21.9. The 20th rank in corruption is Eritrea. The corruption index of Eritrea is 22. The corruption rank of country of Zimbabwe is 21 and the corruption index of Zimbabwe is 23.4. The rank of the in corruption of Cambodia is 22 and the corruption index is 23.5. The rank of Iraq in corruption is 23 and the corruption index of Iraq is 23.6. The rank in corruption Honduras is 24 and the corruption index is 23.9. The rank of Nigeria in corruption is 25 and the corruption index of Nigeria is 24.9. The rank of Turkmenistan in corruption is 28 and the corruption index is 25.1. The rank of Iran in corruption is 29 and the corruption index is 25.6. The rank of Guatemala in corruption is 30 and the corruption index is 25.7. The rank in corruption of Bangladesh is 34 and the corruption index is 26.8. The rank in corruption of Kyrgyzstan is 37 and the corruption index is 27.8. The rank of Uzbekistan in corruption is 38 and the corruption index is 28.2. The rank of Pakistan in corruption is 41 and the corruption index is 28.8. The rank of Angola in corruption is 42 and the corruption index is 29.5. The rank of Russia in corruption is 44 and the corruption index is 29.7. The rank of Portugal in corruption is 47 and the corruption index is 30.1. The rank of Azerbaijan in corruption is 51 and the corruption index is 30.3. The rank in corruption of Bolivia is 53 and the corruption index is 30.4. The rank of Mexico in corruption is 56 and the corruption index is 31.8. The rank of Ukraine in corruption is 58 and the corruption index is 32. The rank of Nepal in corruption is 61 and the corruption index is 33.1. The rank of Egypt in corruption is 62 and the corruption index is 33.3. The rank of Philippines in corruption is 63 and the corruption index is 33.5. The rank of El Salvador in corruption is 66 and the corruption index is 34.5. The rank of Thailand in corruption index is 7070 and the corruption index is 35.8. The rank of Moldova in corruption is 72 and the corruption index is 36.1. The rank in corruption of Peru is 75 and the corruption index of Peru is 36.8. The rank of Kyrgyzstan in corruption is 79 and the corruption index is 37.7. The rank in corruption of Indonesia is 80 and the corruption index of Indonesia is 38.2. The rank in corruption of Brazil is 82 and the corruption index is 38.4. The rank of Turkey in corruption index is 83 and the corruption index of Turkey is 38.5. The rank of Argentina in corruption is 85 and the corruption index of Argentina is 38.9. The rank of Vietnam in corruption is 87 and the corruption index of Vietnam is 39.2. The rank of Colombia in corruption is 92 and the corruption index of Colombia is 39.5. The rank of Morocco in corruption is 93 and the corruption index of Morocco is 39.7. The rank of India in corruption is 95 and the corruption index is 40.5. The rank of Belarus in corruption is 99 and the corruption index is 41.8. The rank of Bulgaria in corruption is 103 and the corruption index of Bulgaria is 42.4. The rank of Tunisia in corruption is 109 and corruption index is 44.1. The rank of South Africa in corruption is 110 and corruption index is 44.5. The rank of Jamaica in corruption is 111 and the corruption index is 44.7. The rank of China in corruption is 112 and the corruption index of China is 45.1. The rank of Romania in corruption is 114 and the corruption index of Romania is 45.8. The rank of Croatia in corruption is 118 and corruption index is 47. The rank of Armenia in corruption is 121 and the corruption index is 49.6. The rank of Greece in corruption is 122 and the corruption index of Greece is 49.8. The rank of South Arabia in corruption is 126 and corruption index of South Arabia is 53.1. The rank of Cyprus in corruption is 129 and the corruption index of Cyprus is 53.6. The rank of Georgia in corruption is 134 and the corruption index of Georgia is 55.5. The rank of Italy in corruption is 136 and the corruption index of Italy is 56 only. The rank of corruption at Poland is 138 and corruption index is 56.2. The rank of Israel in corruption index is 144 and corruption index of Israel is 59.9. The rank of Spain in corruption index is 146 and the corruption index of Spain is 61.1. The rank of Lithuania in corruption index is 147 and the corruption index is 61.8. The rank of Portugal in corruption index is 148 and the corruption index of Portugal is 62.1. The rank of South Korea in corruption index is 149 and the corruption index of the South Korea is 62.5. The rank of United States in corruption index is 153 and the corruption index is 67.4. The rank of United Arab Emirates in corruption index is 157 and the corruption index of Emirat is 69.1. The rank of France in corruption index is 159 and the corruption index of France is 71. The rank of Japan in corruption index is 161 and the corruption index of Japan is 73.3. The rank of the Belgium in corruption index is 162 and the corruption index of Belgium is 73.5. The rank of Australia in corruption index is 163 and the corruption index of Australia is 73.9. The rank of Ireland in corruption index is 164 and the corruption index of Ireland is 74.1. The rank of Australia in corruption index is 167 and the corruption index of Australia is 74.7. The rank of Canada in corruption index is 168 and the corruption index of Canada is 74.8. The rank of Hong Kong in corruption index is 169 and the corruption index of Hong Kong is 76.56. The rank of United Kingdom in corruption index is 170 and the corruption index is 78.2. The rank of Germany in corruption index is 171 and the corruption index of Germany is 80. The rank of Luxembourg in corruption index is 172 and the corruption index of Luxembourg is 81.8. The rank of Netherlands in corruption index is 173 and the corruption index of Netherlands is 82.5. The rank of Switzerland in corruption index is 174 and the corruption index of Switzerland is 84.3. The rank of Norway in corruption index is 175 and the corruption index of Norway is 85.1. The rank of Sweden in corruption index is 176 and the corruption index of Sweden is 85.2. The rank of Singapore in corruption index is 177 and the corruption index of Singapore is 85.6. The rank of Finland in corruption index is 178 and the corruption index of Finland is 88. The rank of New Zealand in corruption index is 179 and the corruption index of New Zealand is 88.5. The rank of Denmark in corruption index is 180 and the corruption index of Denmark is 88.7. So friend, this is the corruption index of the 180th country of the world. This is for your knowledge.